Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn on Audi Q5 with key. Begin by unlocking the driver door with the key fob and sitting in the driver's seat. Insert the mechanical key into the ignition or hold the key fob near the start button if your model uses keyless start. Turn the key or press the start button to accessory, then engine position, watching dashboard lights and listening for the starter engaging. Stand by the driver door, confirm park and engage the parking brake, then place your foot on the brake pedal. For keyed models, insert and turn the key to accessory first, then to the start position until the engine fires. For keyless models, have the key fob inside the car, press the brake, and push the start button. Release when the engine runs smoothly and monitor gauges for normal readings before driving away. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is fantastic for playing tutorials and hands-free instructions while you work on your Audi, plus it fits easily on a garage shelf. It makes oil change playlists and voice timers effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the Audi Q5 fails to start, first test the key fob battery and replace it if weak, since detection issues often cause problems. Inspect the vehicle battery and fuses for power delivery issues that prevent cranking or electronics. If immobilizer lights blink or the key is not recognized, try a spare key and consult the owner manual. When in doubt, contact a dealer for diagnostic checks and key reprogramming support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.